Hey, it's Rob. Check it out. I just got this Christmas tree made out of felt. Now, it's for the kids to decorate, so the kids could have their own tree, grandkids rather. And it has all these decorations that come with it. And then you can just hang this up on the wall. Looks like you're gonna need to iron it a little bit to make it look just right. And it has all these little Velcro pads on here. And here are all the decorations. And so the kids could have a lot of fun while we're decorating the big tree. This looks like a little piece of candy. Got some snowflakes. Little berries. Santa Claus. Candy canes. Bells. Oh, I see. They all have Velcro pieces to go on the Velcro that is on the tree. Snowman. More candy canes. Red, pink. Stockings. Oh, these reindeer are very cool. Going each way. Big presents. Star. All right, I'm gonna get this ironed and hung up so you can see what it actually looks like. All right, so here we go. I ironed it all up and I just got a thumbtack up here to hold it up. So it seems to be doing a good job. You might wanna add some other thumbtacks maybe on the sides. But let's put on some of these decorations. So it's got the green Velcro on here and then it just fits wherever the Velcro is. So there's definitely a lot of fun decorations that you can add on here. Hours of fun for the kiddies. And me. No, just kidding. I'm just rushing through here. And then again, just something fun for the kids to do, you know, while you're setting up your tree throughout the week, something for the playroom. Wow. At first it didn't look like much, but it does come with a lot. Well, you get the idea of what it's like. It's really cool. I think it's pretty tall here, about 3 feet. Kids are gonna love it. I really like this. It's gonna keep the kids busy for hours. I think you'll like it too. Give me a thumbs up in the lower left-hand corner if you think this video was helpful.